In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your products on eBay in bulk by uploading a CSV file. This method is ideal for sellers who have a large inventory and want to save time and effort by listing all their items at once, rather than individually. We'll go through this process step by step to make sure everything is as clear and straightforward as possible. To get started, you'll want to prepare a CSV file that contains all your product details. This file should include the titles, descriptions, prices, and quantities for each of your items. Think of this as a digital inventory list that eBay will use to understand what you're selling and how you want to sell it. Make sure each column is clearly labeled and matches eBay's specific format requirements to avoid any errors during the upload process. Once you have your CSV file ready, open the Chrome browser on your computer. With Chrome open, navigate to the eBay website and log into your seller account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Having two-step verification turned on can enhance the security of your account, so consider enabling it if you haven't already. With your account details handy, you'll want to find either Selling Manager Pro or File Exchange within the site. These tools are specifically designed to facilitate bulk uploading, helping you to manage your listings effectively. Accessing these might require a subscription if you haven't used them before, so make sure to check on those requirements. Next, you want to upload your CSV file. Look for an upload option within Selling Manager Pro or File Exchange. Uploading it correctly means that the format should align with eBay's format requirements. If eBay doesn't recognize your format, you'll likely run into errors, so double check that each column title such as price or quantity is correctly placed. If you encounter issues, eBay often provides guidelines or templates to help ensure everything is in the right order. Once the upload is complete, you will have the chance to review everything. Carefully inspect each listing to make sure the information looks correct. This step is crucial to avoid errors that might affect your sales or customer satisfaction. Things to watch out for include checking that all titles are clear and descriptive, prices are accurate, and quantities are correct. Finally, go ahead and publish your listings. This step will push all of your carefully reviewed products onto the eBay marketplace for buyers to see. Bulk publishing saves a lot of time and reduces the possibility of manual entry errors. Congratulations! You've now uploaded your items in bulk. Following these steps means you can efficiently manage your listings, potentially increasing sales with less effort. Thanks for watching and happy selling!